feeling? How y'all doing? I pray all is well in your world. I am recording the intro to the video because I am not going to talk at all in the video. There will be talking in the video because there's two grocery hauls and a couple other things going on, but I won't be doing any voiceovers or chiming in or anything like that. So I figured I'd just record the intro, let y'all watch it, and enjoy the video. In the video, we're doing a lot of laundry. We're going to be restocking the refrigerators and restocking the pantry as your girl went grocery shopping. So I want y'all to sit back and relax and enjoy it. If you need to go get that load of laundry that's chilling over there looking at you, go on and get it, because there's going to be tons of laundry, so you can go ahead and start folding or doing whatever it is you need to do. If you're new and you have yet to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button, because you don't want to miss anything going on over here in this house. And if you are not new and you are one of my OG besties and one of the new besties, welcome back. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for rocking with me. Please forgive the background noise. My husband has the TV going on, so there's not much I can do about that. But thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. Thank you for rocking with me. Please, please, please stay to the end. Let someone know. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. It's a slow movement, but it's going. I thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you that have come to hang out with me, to watch with me, to give me a little bit of your time to help motivate you to do something in your house today. And with that being said, you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it. Hello, my besties. So I got a non-food haul because it was time we needed to stock up on a few things, and of course I had to go to Walmart because that just is what it is. Anyway, I picked up this 14-piece cutlery set because I told you I'm making slow changes, making over in my houses. So, and it seems to be the color of the day is white. So I got me the white set. This is the Farberware. Some leg razors, shavers for me and the girls. The Great Value fabric sheet, OxyClean. I would have gotten the generic, but they didn't have any. And some Suavitel. This is the hypoallergenic for sensitive skin. I picked up a little thing of all because they didn't have one bigger than this, and I didn't want that gigantic tub. The All Pod. Here is some dishwashing liquid. I got the Dr. Teal's sleep soak. And this is the Refresh and Revitalize Lysol laundry sanitizer, bleach low splash, Downy light ocean mist, scent bead, some foaming. This is the Soothe and Sleep, and this is the Relax and Relief. I also picked up the beautiful, what is this, air fryer, 9-quart tri-zone air fryer. And see, it serves 7 to 9. That's why I needed it, because the other ones didn't serve that many. I also picked up a new dish rack, because it actually has the bottom plate, which is what I needed, and it's got this really cool little thing. It slides out here, so I'm gonna put that away in a minute. Oh, and I picked up some vegetable oil. So that's it. Now you know what it is. It's time to put it all away.
just tell me. I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love away. You're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do.
There's a pair of glasses right here. And there's a pair right there.
Those are probably Jada's.
Jada! Are those your glasses?
No. Are these Judas?
Judah said they're not his.
Then that means they're his. Oh, okay. Well, I'll just...
So those are not your glasses?
No, I don't have...
I know you don't wear glasses.
Oh, I'm sorry. Is this your book?
Hey my besties, how's everybody doing? Everybody feeling good? I pray all is well in your world. I'm coming at you with a nice size grocery haul. Everything is from Sam's Club. So we're going to start over here on the chair. And first things first is a chicken fried rice. I love this. It's quick and easy milk. You can have it by itself or you can mix it with, you know, the orange chicken that they sell. If you go to Aldi's and get some of their chickens, you can do it that way, or you can make your own. The blackened chicken Alfredo. This is a good meal too because there's two of them and you just stick it in the oven. Super simple, super easy. Then we got the hot and spicy noodles, chicken noodles. I got 2 cases of Sunny D and 2 cases of the, what is this, the Mocha Frappuccino Starbucks. 2 of the variety pack Jello, peaches and oranges. The Pop-Tart, strawberry, cherry, blueberry, Go-Gurt, Janimal, Mike and Ike. This box of eggs. I think it's a 90 count, but I'm not sure. 7.5 doesn't have, I don't know what that means, but we'll see when I open it. some bacon crumbles, because y'all know I love my bacon. A box of the pork egg roll, country crock butter. We're gonna go down here to the floor. I got 2 cases of Kool-Aid Jammers, 1 case of Mountain Dew, a box of the Sweet Heat Mix, of course a case of Pepsi, 1 case of water, and a case of the Snapple lemonade. On the chair is some tomato ketchup, beef smoked sausage, 2 of the strawberry lemonade, Baby Bell cheese, 2, what is this, bacon, yep, 2 of the bacons, and then we have our beef roast, chuck roast, whatever you want to call it, and I've got 2 things of steaks. King's Hawaiians rolls, because they're the best. The Pizzeria Uno Tasteful Steak and Cheese. These are for hubby's lunches. We also have the chicken and cheese quesadillas. Now by themselves, they're not really good, but if you put some salsa and sour cream with it, you got a banging lunch. String cheese. These are cans of chicken breast. Balanced breaks. This is a good snack. I got 3 of these cheese pizza and pepperoni pizza Lunchables, chow mein noodles. You can microwave these, but I don't. I fry them in a pan. I got the cage-free hard-boiled egg, the go-go squeeze, 2 cases of the Next Quit chocolate milk, 1 thing, I think this is like 160 count cheese, ranch mayonnaise, and oh no, Lord Jesus, dressing. There's the mayonnaise right there. 2 boxes of the Uncrustables. These were the last 2 boxes. It's amazing. The Yo Crunch M&Ms and Oreos. I also picked up some peanut M&Ms. 2 boxes of the Mott's Fruit Snacks, Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal, and Fruit Loops cereal. That is all for my haul. Now it's time to put it all away.
Trust in yourself, I promise you'll find hope. Oh, you'll be alright, you'll be alright. Only your heart can tell you what is right. You really should listen to yourself. The only thing that truly matters now is that you're doing well, yeah. Don't fall for it. Don't listen to them, baby. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes, it's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes, it's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes, it's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes, it's right there. It's right there.
Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling.
got all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you say. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. It hurts me how
Hello, besties. Welcome to part 2 of the grocery haul. I went to Giant Eagle and Target. So, Giant Eagle, I got the extra Dunkin' Donuts coffee creamer. This has cream and sugar. 2 of the Minute Maid fruit punch. A bag of jalapeno ranch and sour cream and onion chip. Pineapple salsa. Duck sauce. Sweet and sour sauce. Taco Bell salsa con queso. Thick and chunky salsa. Italian sausage and garlic Prego spaghetti sauce. And the tomato, onion, and garlic chunky spaghetti sauce. A gallon of milk. Kobe Jack cheese, sharp cheddar, mild cheddar, and everything bagel cream cheese, and just regular cream cheese. 2 bags of sweet butter lettuce, cucumber. Y'all know I'm a little lazy, so chopped bell pepper, chopped onion, and I got grape and or tomato, cherry tomatoes, whatever you want to call them. A bag of crispy onion, garlic pepper, and the wonton strip. I also picked up lunch meat. This is a sandwich pepperoni, hard salami. This is hot and honey chicken breast. What else do we have here? The Canada maple turkey and brown sugar ham off the bone. Also picked up a bag of Tyson chicken nuggets. I also got the honey breast tenders, and of course I got me some grilled chicken, but this one is the pulled chicken, so I already shredded it. I don't know how to say their name, but this pasta, I've seen it on a bunch of restocking videos, and it looked interesting, so I thought I might give it a try. Never had it, don't know what it looks like once it's cooked, but we'll see. 2 loaves of bread, 3 things of pork chop, and a thing of ground meat. I got 3 cases of Pepsi, a case of the Story. This is supposed to be taking the place of Sierra Mist. It's okay. I got the Mountain Dew Spark and the Mountain Dew Fruit Quake. It is supposed to be Mountain Dew with a blast of fruitcake flavor. Go figure, I don't know. But it's not for me, it's for the kids. We don't drink none of that Mountain Dew stuff. I also got a bag of pepperoni, a bag of mixed stewed vegetables, and a thing of sour cream. From Target, I got cotton swabs, cotton rounds, some fresh linen Carvent clips, some toothpick floss toothpicks, whatever you call these things, you know, to floss your teeth, some cool moisturizing body wash, hand soap refill, a 2-pack of mouthwash, also gallon storage bags. This is a cake platter or cookie platter. I'm going to use it because I needed one, because I like to display the cookies. That way, if you see it, you eat it. I got me another glass jar. This is going to be for my coffee pods. I picked up another pump soap dispenser for upstairs. I got me another planner. This one is going to become my This one is going to be actually my YouTube planner and regular, my everyday regular planner plus YouTube planner, and my other planner is going to become my budget planner. And 4 of these are the generic Clorox wipes, and this nice little caddy. What is this called? It's a shower tower, but I'm not putting it in my shower because y'all know my upstairs bathroom, I can't do that. But it's going to go next to my tub to make it easier for us to get things, like when we're taking baths and stuff. I can just pull it off. I'll show it to y'all when I go up there. Alright, that is all for the haul. Now it's time to put it all away.
Wasted. Now all the nights seem so overrated. What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I just wanna lay here inside of your arms. Maybe we could jump back to the start. And you never would talk to me then if we never met, babe. If we never met. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic, dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder.